So this tutorial is for our clients or clients who want to reschedule a booking. So when you get your confirmation, in this message, you'll see a cancel or reschedule button. Now what you want to do is press on this, and what this will then do is either allow you to cancel it or allow you to reschedule it for another time that you want to have the meeting. And then what you could do is, for example, choose instead to do it on the 6th at 5:15. Say maybe why you had to reschedule, and then press on this. And your booking will then be rescheduled. You should then get an email. Give it a second. Right here. And then if you need to do it again, you can do it from right here as well. Thank you very much.